It's time for Fantastic Farm Animals. This time, let's learn about cattle. Cattle is the word for a group of cows and bulls. Cows are female, while bulls are male. Cattle eat around 30 to 40 pounds of food every day. They also drink a lot of water, and can drink up to 95 liters a day if the cow is lactating to feed her calf in the heat of summertime. They can grow to be over 1,000 pounds, so it makes sense that they need to eat a lot. In fact, they spend around 8 hours per day eating. Since they eat so much food, their stomach has 4 parts, while human stomachs just have 1. Cattle also spend around 10 hours every day lying down. They can sleep while standing, but they also like to relax on the ground. Cattle have an excellent sense of smell. They can smell odors that are up to 9 kilometers away. That means if you were standing 98 football fields away from a cow or bull, it would still be able to smell you. Cows really are fantastic farm animals.